Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Awaken your inner energy system. Within you lies a powerful energy system, a network of 7 chakras. These spinning wheels of energy govern your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. When your chakras are open and balanced, energy flows freely. You experience harmony and vitality. When blocked, you may feel stuck or unwell. This journey will guide you to unblock each chakra. Through visualization and affirmations, you can restore balance and awaken your true potential. Take a deep breath and prepare to connect with the vibrant energy within. This is a journey of self-discovery and healing. It is a path to unlocking your inner power and living a life filled with purpose and joy. Let us begin. At the base of your spine lies the root chakra, Muladhara. Picture a vibrant red light pulsing with energy. This chakra connects you to the earth, providing a sense of grounding and stability. When balanced, you feel secure, safe, and supported. Repeat these affirmations. I am grounded, I am safe, I am provided for. Visualize roots growing from your feet, anchoring you to the earth. Feel the stability and strength that comes from connecting with your foundation. The root chakra reminds you that you are always supported no matter what challenges you face. Below your navel resides the sacral chakra, Svadhisthana. Imagine a radiant orange light swirling with creative energy. This chakra governs your emotions, creativity, and sensuality. When balanced, you embrace life with passion and joy. Repeat these affirmations. I am creative, I am joyful, I embrace my sensuality. Visualize a flowing river of orange energy, cleansing and revitalizing your being. Feel the energy of creativity and pleasure flowing through you. The sacral chakra reminds you to embrace life's beauty and express yourself authentically. Above your navel, in the solar plexus, resides Manipura, the solar plexus chakra. Visualize a brilliant yellow light, radiating with power and confidence. This chakra governs your self-esteem, willpower, and personal power. When balanced, you feel confident, capable, and in control of your life. Repeat these affirmations. I am powerful, I am confident, I am capable. Visualize a bright sun radiating warmth and energy from your solar plexus. Feel your inner fire ignite, empowering you to achieve your goals. The solar plexus chakra reminds you of your strength and your ability to manifest your desires. Section 5. Opening to love's embrace, the heart chakra. In the center of your chest lies Anahata, the heart chakra, the 4th primary chakra in the human body. Picture a luminous green light radiating with love, compassion, and a sense of peace. This chakra governs your relationships, love for yourself and others, and emotional healing. It is the bridge between the lower and upper chakras, connecting the physical and spiritual realms. When balanced, you experience deep love, compassion, and forgiveness. You feel a profound connection to others and the world around you. Repeat these affirmations. I am love. I am open to giving and receiving love. I am worthy of love. I am connected to all living beings. I forgive myself and others. I release all past hurts and embrace the present with an open heart. Visualize a warm green light expanding from your heart, enveloping you and all beings in love and compassion. Feel this light healing and nurturing every part of your being. Feel your heart open, allowing love to flow freely in and out. Embrace the energy of unconditional love and let it guide your actions and thoughts. The heart chakra reminds you of the interconnectedness of all beings and the power of unconditional love. It teaches us that love is the essence of our existence and the key to true happiness and fulfillment. Section 6. Speaking your truth, the throat chakra. At the base of your throat sits Vishuddha, the throat chakra. Visualize a vibrant blue light pulsating with clear communication and self-expression. This chakra governs your ability to speak your truth, express yourself creatively, and communicate authentically. When balanced, you communicate with clarity, confidence, and authenticity. Repeat these affirmations. I speak my truth. I express myself clearly. I am heard. Visualize a clear blue light emanating from your throat, allowing your words to flow effortlessly. Feel the power of your voice and the freedom of authentic expression. The throat chakra reminds you of the importance of speaking your truth and sharing your unique gifts with the world. Section 7. Trusting your intuition, the third eye chakra. In the center of your forehead, between your eyebrows, lies Ajna, the third eye chakra. This chakra is often associated with the color indigo and is considered the seat of intuition and insight. Visualize a radiant indigo light pulsating with intuition and inner wisdom. This light represents the clarity and depth of your inner vision. This chakra governs your intuition, imagination, and connection to your higher self. It is the gateway to your inner realms and higher consciousness. When balanced, you trust your intuition, access your inner wisdom, and connect with your higher purpose. You feel a sense of clarity and direction in your life. Repeat these affirmations. I trust my intuition. I am in tune with my inner guidance. I am guided by my inner wisdom. My inner vision is clear and strong. I am open to divine guidance. I see beyond the physical realm. Visualize a bright indigo light illuminating your mind's eye, revealing your inner truth and guidance. This light helps you see beyond illusions and connect with your true self. Feel your intuition awaken, guiding you on your path. Trust in the wisdom that comes from within. The third eye chakra reminds you of the power of your inner knowing and the importance of trusting your inner guidance. Embrace the insights and visions that come to you and let them lead you towards your highest potential. Section 8. Connecting to the divine, the crown chakra. At the crown of your head resides Sahasrara, the crown chakra, often visualized as a 1,000-petaled lotus flower. Visualize a brilliant violet light, radiating with spiritual connection and enlightenment, illuminating your path to higher consciousness. This chakra governs your connection to the divine, your sense of purpose, and your understanding of the universe. It is the gateway to the infinite, the bridge to the cosmos. When balanced, you experience spiritual awakening, a deep sense of peace, and a profound connection to all that is. You feel a sense of unity with the universe and an inner calm that transcends the material world. Repeat these affirmations. I am connected to the divine. I am a vessel of universal wisdom. I'm open to enlightenment. I am at peace. I trust in the flow of life and the guidance of the universe. Visualize a brilliant white light pouring down from the universe, filling your entire being with love and light. This light cleanses and purifies, connecting you to the divine source. Feel the expansiveness of your true nature and the peace of spiritual connection. Embrace the infinite possibilities that come with this divine connection. The crown chakra reminds you of your divine essence and your interconnectedness with all of creation. It is a reminder that we are all part of a greater whole, united in spirit and purpose. Section 9. A daily practice for harmony and balance. Take time each day to connect with your chakras. Find a quiet space where you can relax and turn your attention inward. Visualize each chakra, repeating the affirmations and feeling the energy flow through your body. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your well-being. By nurturing your chakras, you cultivate inner harmony, balance your energy, and awaken your true potential. Section 10. Visualizing the flow of energy. As you visualize each chakra, imagine a vibrant stream of energy flowing upwards, connecting all 7 chakras. This energy is your life force, flowing freely through your being. Feel the energy pulsating, cleansing, and revitalizing your entire system. This visualization strengthens the connection between your chakras, promoting a harmonious flow of energy throughout your being. Section 11. Embracing your transformed self. As you continue to work with your chakras, you may notice subtle shifts in your energy, emotions, and overall well-being. You may feel more grounded, more creative, more loving, more expressive, more intuitive, and more connected to your spiritual essence. Embrace these transformations. They are a testament to your commitment to self-discovery and healing. Remember that the journey of chakra balancing is ongoing. Continue to nurture your energy system and you will continue to experience the transformative power of these 7 sacred energy centers. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.